I would like you to follow the sign Blackburn. Positioning, you need to keep it, your positioning getting too much to the right. Keep it to the left like this.
And then, do I go over into that box?
What do you think?
I believe so.
Yes.
I'm just
But that is a giveaway line, isn't it?
Yeah.
But anyone coming from your right?
No, nobody was coming.
Do we have to stop?
Yes.
But nobody's coming. Why do we have to stop?
Okay.
Come on, go now for me. You're a bit too nervous today.
Yeah, very nervous.
Keep on this side here. So let's move on to the next one. Then I say to you that you're going to follow the sign Blackburn.
Yeah.
Right? Now, what's happening there, and this is a very important for you to understand, because you are changing your lane. So
Yeah.
if you carry on going straight, is going Ozil Twizzle.
Yeah.
You got a cycle lane, you have to cross over the cycle lane to go to the left.
Left. Yeah.
Did you check your mirrors and signal left to tell the people that you're turning left?
I didn't signal.
You did not signal.
No.
Did you check your mirrors?
Yes.
Okay, so let's say you check your mirrors.
I didn't see. I opened
So
the window.
if there would have been any cyclists, how would they know?
No, they wouldn't.
So always think about that. Then as we move forward, you stopped right on the middle of the crossing. There's a pedestrian crossing there. And you asked me that should I go all the way there or not? Well, you should go because there's a sign there telling you give way.
Yeah.
Now as you were approaching, was it an open view give way junction or the closed view junction? What do you think?
Open view.
Open view. So as you're approaching,
Yeah.
when you look to the right,
I can see everything.
you can see traffic coming
Yeah.
from motorway, or
Yeah.
if you look ahead, traffic coming from Ozil Twizzle.
Yeah.
The good thing is they're both controlled by the traffic lights.
Yeah.
If the signal ahead is green,
Yeah.
that means the traffic is coming from Ozil Twizzle.
Yeah.
If that signal is red,
Yeah.
the traffic is coming from the
behind us,
motorway.
yeah.
But we stopped over there, the signal was green, nobody was coming from there. They can't come from the right, but we still stopped and we're thinking about it, what to do. Learning lesson for you. Make sure you could have gone. So look early, plan early, and go early if you're safer.